Everything you know about creating online courses is wrong. While most people spend months filming videos, smart creators are using AI to build and launch profitable courses in just 14 days. Here's the system they don't want you to know about. We've spent over 40 hours researching and testing this method. What we discovered will completely change how you think about online courses. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to launch your first AI-powered course in just 14 days, even if you've never created content before. This isn't theory. We're showing you the exact tools, prompts, and strategies that are generating real results right now. The complete AI course system. Here's what most people get wrong about online courses. They think it's about having expertise. But the truth? The most successful course creators don't start with knowledge. They start with a promise. We analyzed 50 successful AI-related courses and found something shocking. The ones making more than $50,000 per month all followed the same pattern. They didn't try to teach everything about AI. Instead, they made one specific, measurable promise. Here's the formula. We help specific audience go from current frustrating state to desired outcome in specific time frame using our unique method. For example, launch your first faceless YouTube channel in 30 days. Automate your Instagram content for 30 days in just 2 hours. Write and publish your first ebook in 14 days. Pause this video right now and write your transformation statement. Don't move forward until you have this. Everything else depends on it. The AI research revolution. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. What used to take weeks of market research can now be done in minutes. We tested this with 5 different course topics. In every case, AI gave us insights that would have taken more than 20 hours of manual research. But here's the key. There's a specific way to do this that most people miss. Prompt ChatGPT with this. You are a market researcher. My target audience is your audience. Give me the top 25 pain points, goals, and roadblocks they face. Be specific and use their exact language. Then follow up with, group these 25 items into 5 to 7 logical learning modules. Each module should have 3 to 6 short lessons that build on each other. This step usually takes creators 80% of their time. With AI, you'll do it in 20%. We built a complete 6-module course in just 3 days using this method. Each lesson was 5 to 7 minutes long, professionally voiced, and included worksheets. Here's the exact prompt we used. Create slide outlines for a lesson on topic. Include title slide, 3 to 5 key points with bullets, 1 practical example, and 1 action step. Keep text minimal and visual friendly. For each lesson, generate a 250 to 400 word script using this structure. Hook, teach, example, action task. Pro tip, use 11 Labs free tier. 10,000 characters gives you 2 to 3 full lessons. Generate scripts in 200 to 300 word chunks for better voice quality and natural delivery. The value multipliers. Here's what separates $500 courses from $5,000 courses. It's not the videos. We analyze refund requests from over 100 course creators. More than 70% of refunds happened because students felt overwhelmed or couldn't implement what they learned. The solution? Value multipliers. For every lesson, create action worksheets with step-by-step tasks, checklists they can follow, templates they can customize, calculators or planners when relevant. Here's a prompt for ChatGPT. Create a step-by-step worksheet for lesson topic. Include checkboxes, fill in the blank sections, and space for notes. Make it actionable and beginner-friendly. Pricing that converts. Most people price their courses wrong and leave thousands on the table. We tested the same course at 3 different price points, and the results shocked us. The highest priced version outsold the cheapest one by 3 to 1. Here's the winning structure. Tier 1, self-study, $49 to $99. Core course plus basic templates. Tier 2, plus $149 to $299. Everything in Tier 1 plus bonus modules and advanced templates. Tier 3, Pro, $299 to $599. Everything plus community access and monthly group calls. The Pro tier makes the Plus tier look like a bargain. That's where most sales come from. The $10,000 launch strategy. We've seen creators spend months building perfect courses that nobody buys. This system flips that. You build an audience while you build the course. Here's the 14-day launch plan. Days 1 to 3. Share your research insights as valuable content. Days 4 to 6. Release a free lead magnet, like a course outline or template pack. Days 7 to 9. Publish one complete lesson on YouTube as proof of concept. Days 10 to 12. Offer a limited time bonus for early buyers. Days 13 to 14. Final push with testimonials and urgency. Fast track implementation plan. Week 1 and Day 1. Write your transformation statement. Day 2. Use AI research to create your complete course outline. Day 3. Create and record Module 1. Day 4. Build 2 worksheets and templates. Days 5 to 7. Complete Modules 2 and 3, then set up hosting. Week 2, Days 8 to 10. Finish remaining modules. Days 11 to 12. Create sales page and test payments. Days 13 to 14. Execute launch sequence. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Making promises too broad. Niche down to one specific outcome. All lecture, no action. Include implementation tools in every lesson. No quick wins. Add a 24-hour quick start module. Overhyped claims. Set realistic expectations with effort disclaimers. You now have the complete system that's working right now in 2025. But there's still one crucial element we haven't covered: the automation system that turns this into true passive income.